แต่กูเลยชวนกับyang sebagai pisai sen baru kita pergi ya kan ka video tam tak sengi ngan rai pergi kan ka way ka kubor lang ba ka government of Meghalaya lang ba office jong ka deputy commissioner district selection committee ka is Khasi Hill district kalau pun benar ba ya ki cis pa anyo purely ki post ki balaj apo ka district selection committee mo te ka district selection committee is Khasi Hill district Shillong kalau code application nam ta ki shong nong shong shnong bapura jong ka is Khasi Hill district tang nam ta ki nong shong shnong hapo ka is Khasi Hill district ki bala ban apply ka ni ka post nado ulai tarik September hado ulai tarik Oktober arajar option but ka last date jong ka ni ka payment jong ka ni ka post hado Henry tarik Oktober arajar option tang ini pe ka ni ka serial number 1 ka serial number 1 ka dai ka LDA com typist te ka total number kane ka post khandai bi arli te ka namda ka on receive speutli ban namta khasi janti agro hado nyausan tili ki post ban arli namta ki spot person te namta order SC ST nyau tili ki post te ka pay level kat kum ka pay level level 5 as per revised pay structure te ka qualification hakani ka post pidai ban pendep ya ka class 10 pass na kanu kanu ka school na ne na ka bot mo han ka jo ko por pi habdon ya ka computer application pi habdep ya ka computer training na kanu kanu ka institute ka bamduna ya ka live nai jong ka training jong pi bat pi haban speed live per minute per live per word per minute pi haban speed live per content haka chiminit nangta ka post ka baar serial number 2 the name of the post kadai ka sectional assistant ka number of vacancies kadai live heu tuli ki post namta ka on receive saudli namta khasi jantia garu arpen rutli ka pay level ka level 4 as per as revised pay structure ka qualification mo ki kadan puli pihaban pendep ya ka class 10 pass na kanu kanu ka school lane ka bot mo phila lade Meghalaya lane ka anu kanu ka bot shabar jangka jela Meghalaya nangta ka serial number 3 name of the post kadai ka fishery demonstrator mo kane ka number of post kadai khandai tali ka total ka namta ka on receive kadai we khasi jantia kadai pharadli ki post but ka pay level 4 as per as revised pay structure te ki kadan pule pihaban pendep ya ka class 12 with biology as one of the subject pihaban don naka class 12 science but rengkat bat ka biology pihaban pas ya ka biology mentangin po ya ka serial number 4 name of the post kadai ka forester te ka number of post kadai are feudally nangta ka on receive adli khasi jantia khat pradli ka pay level 4 as per as revised pay structure ka qualification ka kadan pulei pihaban pas ya ka class 12 pas na ka science stream lani sejrong kataru na kanu kanu ka school ka board mo ka minimum fiscal hakne ke don ka fiscal standard ka fitness pihaban don namta kin chenang cispan ripuli sentimeter bihab jrong ta kan the cispa san peu sentimeter bihab jrong nta ka shadem namta kan uchenrang bihab don nyap khandai sentimeter normal namta ka kan the san sentimeter on expanded mo san sentimeter on expanded namta ki kin chenrang hi kan rum on expanded namta ki kan thai new pusau but normal but sun on expanded ka minimum height for ST SC male candidate pila ban pe kan mo namta ki chenrang cispa san pa centimeter tang na ka banta ki ST kine but ya ki female chi kan thai cispa 7 centimeter candidate must qualify for the physical test consistency of work of 25 kilometer for a male candidate and 16 kilometer for female candidate to be complete within 4 hours kene kadon ka physical test hakane bihaban amare 8 kilometer but 100 kilometer namta ki kentei hap complete phi hapo phi hap phi te ban complete hap tang hapo ka sau konta te kan ni try bro kila long kala long la kan ni mo namar hado sau konta kan ni ke post kam da strict bah tang shu at least ka fiscal standard ka hap don hapo kan ni ka post mo nang tang in poise ka serial number 5 the name of post kadai ka soil and water conservation demonstration junior 1 nang ta ka number of post kadai khat lai tali on safe sandali ka si jantia khat lai tali order SCST ewe ka pay level kat kum ka level 4 as per as revised pay structure nang ta ka qualification ha kane bi hab dei ban pandep ya ka class 12 pass ha ka science stream na kanu kanu ka government school nang ta must be willing to save in any in interior place in Meghalaya pihak ban lej sa kanu kanu ka jaka baki pha apo ka jila Meghalaya nang ta has to pass physical test kani udon physical test kani pihak pila ban pule kani ka physical test jong kani shall have XQ born to undergo the 11-month field as training course in soil and water pollution pihak lej chua ya ka training mo kat kum kani ka institution bani hat Meghalaya pihak ban pendep ya kini ya namta kani ka post serial number 5 ta namta ka ke age limit ka pihak don ya ka khat pra hadu live your arts name as on chitering ubnai nang kong ar jarpsan upper age limit relaxation 5 years over the upper age limit of 22 years in case of ST and SC then namta ki hadu live arts name namta ki general but sans name hadu live news name namta ki ST tekini ngang scam pim don kam re ban pulai ba taki PW candidate ini thrangim don bahare the date of birth to be accept as in enter in the matriculation ka sngikha jong phi ki hab de kat kum ka certificate lani ka marksheet jong ka class 10 marksheet jong phi ma then no age limit for candidate who are already in regular government service to be no certificate through proportional conversion through call or personal interview no age limit for candidate who are already in regular government service namta kito kibala dei lupa hagi kam sarkar kim syare ban pendap ya kim syare ban wan chaki interview mo hakani ka post reservation of vacancies the reservation of vacancies is as per the existing reservation vacancies in service post under the state government of Meghalaya kini ki labot kat kam ka reservation jong ka state of Meghalaya the district selection committee is a liberty to increase or decrease the vacancies based on requirement mo namta ka district selection committee kala ban penduna lani kat kum ka jing don kam jongka kani tang namta ka district selection committee ka don hok ban le kata mo te ka payment namta ka application fees te kalong kispa namta baro bat sanpheu namta ki SC bat ST pila ban using da ka net banking all major bank pila ban le da ka net banking PTM you phone pay kumta terte lani pila ban ai da ka cash kaneka instruction to candidate for online application mo namta ki candidate ki ba apply online pihak ban link lang ba website https /iskasihil.gov.in pihak ban use da kaneka website lang ba email ID jong pi ban apply ka detail jong pi kat kum baki don kam hapo kaneka website jong pi the candidate has upload recent color passport size baru ki candidate pihak ban upload ya ki passport size jong pi ka ba menta bat kampalat ya ka must be less than kampalat ya ka sanphau KB pihak ban convert sanphau KB lada phile da ka mobile phone jong phiru phila ban convert lang ba phi download ya apps MB to KB converted phila ban download ya apps mo request for change correction if any particular in application form shall not be entertained under the circumstance. Lada phi pakala kapor kaba phi fill ya ka form jong phi hadin kim sha re ban le correction mo ha po kaneka post kan mau ya kata. For any candidate has been found in person or any person rescatting order regular improvement mean in connection with his and her candidate for selection or obtain support candidate may be mean any means such as candidate may in addition to regarding himself libya to criminal protection libya permanently from any examination or selection kino ki candidate ki basham bale thok la ne le kino ki kambam long ha ka for exam ne ka no te kilaban cancel lagi kilaban pendam ki ban le paro ki jai kam exam la ne ki jai kam competitive. Candidate must appear for the writing test interview at his and her expense. Pila kidai ban tho ya ka exam ni ki interview kat kum ka jing la jengke. Selection candidate must be willing to serve in any place of posting within or outside the state of Meghalaya in the interest of government of Meghalaya. Te kiba candidate kiba cha select ne ki haban le kat kum ka ba pha na po ka state ga sorkar jong ka jila Meghalaya. Tengah scam tangkum ne hi baro pila snyoto ye kane mo nang kiba don ye kakadan kepat kajing mut pila ban apply ye kane ka post lang ba kane ka website ka bangala adep ong te pila ruban klik ye kane ka website hapo ka description box jong kane ka video tangkum ne hi kuble shibon ngine chembyang hapo ka sakawai pat ngine chembyang sakawai pat ki video kuble shibon